Alright, traders, good morning. So we are now live trading crude oil market, WTI, NYMEX. So at this moment we are on the short sell position based from my current signal, which is to short sell the market at can we see at 51.96 and TP at 51.80, so which is about 16 ticks target. So let's wait and see whether hopefully this will be a good indication for our price movement. So looks like during the entry then the price did pull back, so the target is somewhere here. So this green yellow, sorry, the target is this green yellow line. So you can see this green yellow line, and okay, we are in the positive situation, looks good. So let's hope everything's be fine. Current positions plus 50 ticks. This one also on the move for natural gas. So just focus on crude oil. So plus 7 ticks, plus 70. Okay, this is gonna take some time, maybe, I guess. So let's wait and see. So by the way, this live video is about the trading for oil market. So this is from my paradox setup. So feel free to click my channel. There's also a link below in description. Feel free to click on it. And while waiting for the TP, hopefully everything will be in a good shape. Okay, still waiting. By the way, I'm using this chart of 10 minutes. I'm expecting for penetration to the downward movement, so this is gonna take some time. Sorry, I think I have pulled a stop. Okay, let's take a look. Okay, we have a profit of 230. So I've recorded my video earlier, but okay, we have closed the position, a profit of 230. Am I entering too lot? 96 to exit at, so a bit chaos. 95 or 11 by 2, 96, 87, 95. Yep, 230 US dollar in profit. So the target is 51.80 based from my Telegram channel. So there's a link below in description, so you can click on it. So for now, yeah, I think, yeah, we're entering around 96. So the lowest is 93, so 13 ticks. Price will go down, so let's wait. Hopefully everything will fall in a good situation. I missed to record it just now because I've recorded and accidentally I clicked the stop button. Okay guys, we are about to hit, so I already exit my position a bit earlier. So I did enter at around 96, and now exit at around 85 too soon, but now this is the total profit of 230. Accidentally as well to enter two lots position size, and the lowest that this just now is 82. Our target from my live Telegram channel is TP at 51.80, so let's hope it will reach there. Maybe for the traders can exit, maybe let's wait and see whether this will be a good opportunity for us to gain some more. If we put the trailing stop, then should be a good one. So okay.